Okay, severe thunderstorm warning for Trempealeau. Just got on the IEM bot.
Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move
Make sure the tornado warning is in red.
Remember,
right there.
thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Just repeated rounds of this is causing so much flooding and making the rivers go up a lot. So just wait.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Clark, Jackson, Juneau, La Crosse.
I'm hearing on my scanner lots of reports of trees and okay, here we go.
Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 10:30 a.m. At 9:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Independence to Arcadia to near Winona, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Independence and Strom around 9:45 a.m. Whitehall around 9:50 a.m. Galesville around 9:55 a.m. Blair around 10 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Highway 95 and County D, Camp Decorah, Beach Corners, Thoreau State Park, Chimney Rock, Thimble Park, and Elk Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin.